Welcome back to the Soccer District Finals. It's our very own Green Valley Lions versus the Blue Dragons.
Ooh, I am so nervous, Mark. Wow, my hands are actually shaking right now.
Whew, me too. The Lions have never been this close to a trophy. Look at Jake out there.
Go, Lions! Get the ball, Jake!
Phew, the tension is high. We are definitely on the edge of our seats. That idiom means we are very excited or nervous about what will happen next.
Come on, Leo! Keep your eyes on the ball, honey!
Yeah, he's got it! Look at that pass! Break a leg, Leo!
Wait, in sports, break a leg actually means good luck.
Leo, over here! I'm open! Cross the ball! I see you! Get to the goal, Jake!
Oh, a massive collision between Leo and the defender. He is down.
Oh no, Leo, are you okay?
What is a collision? A meeting, B, a violent crash, or C, a goal?
Step back, everyone! Let him breathe! Don't crowd him!
Leo, talk to me.
Leo! Oh no! He isn't moving!
Referee! Stop the game! He's hurt! Hey, where's the coach? Oh man, he's way over on Field B watching the junior game.
Unbelievable! The coach hasn't even noticed. Jake, help him!
Sir, our coach is on the other field. I am trained in first aid. May I assist?
Phew, hurry, son. He's turning very pale.
June, run to the car and grab our first aid kit, now!
What is a first aid kit? A box with medical supplies. B, a soccer bag. C, a water bottle.
I'm going, Jake! I'll be back in a second!
Leo, it's Jake. I need you to stay very still. Don't move your neck at all.
Oh, my arm. It feels like it's burning. I can't move it.
I know, buddy. But you need to keep a cool head. I'm right here with you.
Is he breathing? Jake, tell me he's okay!
He's breathing! Mrs. Miller! He's talking to me right now!
Huff! Puff! I got it! Here is the kit! I found it in the trunk!
Great job, June. You're a lifesaver.
How is he, Jake? Can he move his fingers?
Yes! He can move them, sir! I'm checking his arm for a break now! Oh boy, I see a nasty cut right above your left eyebrow. June, give me the antiseptic wipes.
What is antiseptic? A, something that prevents infection. B, a type of shoe. Or C, a drink.
This will sting for a second. Deep breaths, Leo.
Ow! Yikes! That's cold!
Sorry, that's the antiseptic working. We need to keep it clean.
Oh gosh, I hate seeing him like this. It's every parent's worst nightmare.
Jake will take care of him. He's really stepping up to the plate. Stepping up to the plate means taking responsibility when it is needed.
Leo, do you feel dizzy or sick? That is a common symptom of a head hit.
What is a symptom? A sign of illness or injury. B, a soccer ball. C, a winning score.
A little bit dizzy, yeah, but mostly my arm just hurts.
It's starting to swell, Leo. June, get the cold pack.
Pop, here. Wow, it's getting cold now.
Hold that there. It will help with the pain.
Wait! The Lions game has stopped! Someone is down! I'm coming! Out of the way, please! Huff, Jake, what's the status? What happened here?
I've cleaned the cut and stabilized his wrist, Coach. He needs a sling.
What is a sling? A support for an injured arm. B, a soccer net. Or C, a hat.
The paramedics are here! Everyone, please move back and give them space!
Where is the patient? What is the injury?
Over here! He has a deep cut on his forehead and a possible wrist fracture.
Wow, great report, young man. We will take over now.
Take a deep breath for me, buddy. We're gonna stabilize this arm before we move you.
Okay, please be careful.
You're doing great. We're going to give you a checkup at the hospital.
We're right behind you, Leo. We're going to follow the ambulance in our car.
Hey, finish the game, Jake. Win it for our team.
I promise, Leo. We'll get that trophy for the Lions.
All right, let's move him onto the stretcher gently. 1, 2, 3.
What is a stretcher? A medical bed to carry people. B, a soccer ball. C, a whistle.
Game on! We have exactly 1 minute left on the clock!
This is for Leo!
He's too fast. Close the gap.
This is my last chance. I have to make this count.
Go! Jake Whitmore scores! The Green Valley Lions win the district finals!
Yay! He did it! Jake scored!
He did it! Leo! Jake scored!
I knew he would.
You showed true character today, son. I'm incredibly proud of you.
You helped your friend when he was scared, and you won the game. Phew, what a day!
Jake, thank you so much. You really have a heart of gold for staying with him like that.
A heart of gold means being an exceptionally kind and helpful person.
Thanks. I was just worried. I really hope Leo gets better quickly.
Let's get the team together. You guys earned this trophy.
Okay, class is in session. Let's see how you did on today's medical vocabulary. Collision. B, a violent crash. First aid kit. A box with medical supplies. Antiseptic. A, something that prevents infection. Symptom. A sign of illness or injury. Sling. A support for an injured arm. Stretcher. A medical bed to carry people.
And don't forget your idioms, class. On the edge of your seat. Very excited or nervous about what will happen. Break a leg. A way to say good luck in sports or performance. Stepping up to the plate. Taking action or responsibility when people need you. Heart of gold. Being a very kind and generous person.
Comment below. What was the best good luck message you ever received? I love reading your comments. Keep practicing your English every single day. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.